Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Urban Outfitters. This is ticker URBN. Now, Urban Outfitters is a retail location. They sell clothes and home items. Hey, they even sell frog-shaped bath mats. Now, I probably won't be allowed in my house to buy a frog-shaped bath mat, but I might be able to buy this stock because I like the chart here on Urban Outfitters. It's in an uptrend versus the 50-day moving average, and while it is finding resistance in and around the 8-day and 21-day, I can see a pretty clear downward sloping trend line where we have a level that I'd like to see Urban Outfitters get above and stay above. So I think it makes sense to have an alert on Urban at around 72.60 and look for a move out of this consolidation coming on volume. Now, today's price action, pretty constructive. It came off the lows and is still holding well above the 50-day moving average. So even if it doesn't break out tomorrow, I still think this is a stock you want to watch for a move out of consolidation. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope it's helpful, and I'll see you next time.